In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your workspace URL on Slack. This is a simple process, and I'll guide you through it step by step so you can easily locate it whenever you need. Whether you're setting up new integrations or sharing your Slack workspace with team members, knowing your workspace URL can come in handy. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Slack application on your computer or through a web browser. If you're using the desktop app, make sure you're logged into the correct workspace. This is important because many of us are part of multiple Slack workspaces, and finding the right one is crucial for what we're doing today. Once you have Slack open, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. Here, you should see the name of your workspace. This area serves as a drop-down menu and is the starting point for accessing various settings and options related to your Slack workspace. By clicking on your workspace name, a drop-down menu will appear. Within this menu, you'll find options like inviting people, viewing profiles, and what we're interested in today, your settings. Taking a minute to explore this menu can familiarize you with the many handy features Slack offers, but for now, let's focus on finding that URL. Next, you'll want to click on Tools and Settings. Following that, choose Workspace Settings. This area contains various configurable options for your workspace, like preferences on notification settings, permissions, and more. But don't get overwhelmed. Once you're in the workspace settings, you'll notice that the URL of the page is, in fact, your workspace's URL. If you take a look at the address bar at the top of your browser or application window, there it is. This URL is specific to your workspace and uniquely identifies it on Slack. Write it down or bookmark it for future reference. Remember, your workspace URL is essential for both accessing and integrating services with your Slack environment. By knowing how to find this URL, you're now equipped to efficiently manage and share your workspace with others, facilitating smoother collaboration with your team. So that's how you find your workspace URL on Slack. With these instructions, you should have no trouble locating it whenever necessary. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.